This platform can make you $900 in 1 hour. Using this platform, what I did was after I signed myself up, I then made $900. I managed to make those $900 within a span of just 60 minutes. Amazing, right? But before I tell you about this platform, I want to welcome you to Money Heist, where I show you ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for new videos like this in the future. Now let me tell you something. With my method and the platforms that I will show you on this video will make you $900. Yes, it worked like a charm for me, and it will work like a charm for you. I mean, isn't it amazing to see your PayPal account credited with $900 in no time? And sometimes we are in dire need of cash. This here makes us around $900 in just 1 hour by following simple steps that I will mention on this video. All you have to do is watch my video and listen to what I did to make money and, well, make easy money. My secret to earning quick and easy money online. By merely searching for popular videos on YouTube, and don't worry, you won't need to make any videos for YouTube nor watch them. Neither do you need to sign up to YouTube. Just find different videos on YouTube, use my step-by-step process that I will show you on this video, and you can even end up making $900 every hour. So pay close attention. This method is available from anywhere around the globe. Now, I have the link under the description, and on this platform, all you gotta do is paste the link of those YouTube videos and shorten it. First, let us think of a niche such as a fitness or cooking or business or finance, anything. Anything goes. Just search and find the right video on YouTube. Copy its link and paste it to shorten it. You want to focus on useful videos within one particular niche, such as the one I used to make those $900, the weight loss niche, because it's the easiest one to explain. So what I can simply do is I can go to the search bar, search for different videos such as how to lose weight tutorials or how to lose weight fast. Next, you need to check for reviews along with the views. And once you find the best one, just copy its link by clicking the share button. Each time someone clicks that shortened link, you earn money from this platform. It pays up to $21 per 1,000 clicks. Don't worry, I will also show you where you can use this link to get your 1,000 clicks. But first, you have to go onto the platform and, of course, sign up. Click the sign up button and create an account by entering a username along with your valid email address and a good password. Read the terms and conditions and then click the box to accept them and then register. Once you register, you will be taken to the dashboard where you can track your earnings and clicks. But since it is a brand new account, it will show you $0. When you reach like $5 in the dashboard, you can click to withdraw this money. You can use any method to withdraw this money, such as bank transfer, or if Payoneer suits you, or even PayPal. Hey, I chose PayPal because it suits me. Whichever suits you best, you can choose that certain method. Right, so once you have registered an account on this platform here, you have to use that YouTube link, the one video you searched for, a niche, and click shorten link. Now, this shortened link can be pasted on Quora, Reddit, or the one that worked for me was forums.steroid.com. Let me repeat that, forums.steroid.com. I used YouTube videos of weight loss and pasted them here, and the best part is you're genuinely helping them for free and earning as well. Since they're clicking the link, I would suggest find a forum according to your video or niche. For instance, if it's tech, you can search for a tech forum. You can choose some forum which has techie stuff, depending on, for instance, if it's a mobile phone, it's a laptop, tablet, whatever. Or you can find games and their forums. You can even choose your answers on Quora with this and use it to your advantage by shortening its link and earning when someone clicks it. I know you want to know how you will earn money with this platform. You see, how this works is the platform generally shows ads to the person that clicks your link, and they can actually skip it. So when they click on your link, before taking them to the landing page, they are first shown an ad. Once they press the button skip, it will then take them to the YouTube video that you used. In the end, so they split the ad revenue with you. You win, they win, and the person who needed that video also wins. In summary, all you have to do is go onto the link that I have mentioned on the description below and head over to the platform. Once you have signed up using your email address, make sure it's a valid one, create a username of your choice, and if need be, add your correct details. Grab a YouTube link. Remember, this is the important step. You need to find a video according to a niche of your own and grab that certain video by searching that video on YouTube using the search bar and shorten its link with this platform, the one that I've shown you on the description. Use that link onto a forum where you can generate clicks on your link. For me, forums.steroid.com work best. You can even go to Reddit, you can even go to Quora and paste this and help people. This is available globally, meaning anyone from anywhere can work on this platform here. Plus, you can download its app on iOS if you have an Apple phone, and Android if you have some Android phone, and if you want to work using your smartphone, that is. So it's available. Use any method of payment depending on what suits you best, such as bank transfer and Payoneer and PayPal. They're all available. So I hope you liked the video. Just make sure to give us a like and comment below as well. I want you to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to be notified of videos such as this in the future. This is it from Money Heist, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.